Welcome to the Autoverse, your go-to channel for deep dives into iconic vehicles from the past and the latest in automotive updates. Today, we're talking about a true legend of the muscle car era, the Ford Torino GT. The Ford Torino GT, especially from its peak years like the 1969 and 1970 models, is a symbol of American muscle. It came with several powerful engine options, making it a favorite for those who crave performance. One of the most famous engine choices was the 428 Cobra Jet V8, capable of producing a whopping 335 horsepower. This engine made the Torino GT a beast on the drag strip, and it came equipped with performance features like a ram air hood scoop and high-performance components that added to its power and thrill. Depending on the year and configuration, engine options could also include the 302 and 351 Windsor or Cleveland V8 ensuring a range of choices to suit different performance preferences. The exterior of the Ford Torino GT is unmistakable, characterized by long, sleek lines, aggressive front grilles, and stylish fastback or formal roof designs. The fastback model was especially aerodynamic for its time and had a sporty presence that captured attention. Additional features like racing stripes, hood scoops, and chrome accents emphasized its muscle car persona. The Torino GT often rolled on classic mag wheels, further adding to its aggressive stance and timeless appeal. Inside, the Ford Torino GT offered a driver-focused cabin with a blend of comfort and muscle car flair. The dashboard featured clear, easy-to-read gauges, and many models came with bucket seats and a center console, which added to the sporty atmosphere. Upholstery options included premium vinyl or cloth, and the cabin design was spacious enough for comfortable cruising, while still feeling connected to the road. The interior was a mix of rugged functionality and 1970s styling, making it perfect for both daily drives and high-speed adventures. In today's classic car market, the Ford Torino GT has seen growing interest among collectors and muscle car enthusiasts. Prices for well-maintained and original models can range from $20,000 to over $60,000, depending on factors like engine configuration, restoration quality, and rarity. Special editions, or those with original performance packages, are especially coveted and can command even higher values at auctions. Thanks for tuning in to the Autoverse for a look at the classic Ford Torino GT. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content on muscle cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more automotive content coming your way, so stay with us as we explore the classic cars.